Hey there, savvy viewers. Are you tired of spending a fortune on everyday expenses? Well, get ready to unleash your inner genius because today you're diving into a treasure trove of frugal life hacks that will blow your mind. I'm your host, and trust me, these are the genius frugal life hacks you wish you knew earlier.
Soundstripe.
We all know that grocery shopping can be a significant expense, but fear not. I have some clever hacks to help you save big while still eating well. First up, always plan your meals in advance. By creating a weekly meal plan, you can avoid impulsive purchases and minimize food waste. Another great tip is to buy generic or store-brand products. They're often just as good as the brand name items, but at a fraction of the cost. And don't forget to make use of those loyalty cards and coupons. They can add up to substantial savings over time. Cleaning products can quickly drain your wallet. But did you know that you can create effective and budget-friendly alternatives right at home? One of my favorite frugal hacks is making your own all-purpose cleaner using simple ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice. It's not only eco-friendly, but also saves you money. Additionally, you can repurpose old socks or t-shirts into cleaning rags instead of buying disposable ones. These DIY solutions work wonders and won't break the bank. Transportation expenses can add up, but with these frugal hacks you can keep more money in your pocket. Firstly, consider carpooling or ride-sharing to split the cost of commuting. You can also save on fuel by planning your routes efficiently and combining errands into a single trip. Another great tip is to take advantage of public transportation whenever possible. It's often cheaper than driving, and you can use the time to catch up on your favorite podcast or read a book. Why spend new money on items when you can repurpose what you already have? Upcycling is not only a fantastic way to save money, but also a creative and sustainable practice. For example, you can turn an old ladder into a bookshelf or repurpose glass jars into stylish storage containers. The possibilities are endless. Get your creative juices flowing and give your belongings a new lease on life. Who says having fun should be expensive? There are plenty of budget-friendly entertainment options to enjoy without breaking the bank. Try hosting a game night with friends where everyone brings their favorite board games or card games. You can also explore local parks, go hiking, or have a picnic with your loved ones. Let's not forget about the library. It's a treasure trove of books, movies, and even free events. Embrace the simple pleasures in life while keeping your budget intact. Looking stylish doesn't have to cost a fortune. In this segment, I'll share some frugal fashion hacks to help you revamp your wardrobe without breaking the bank. First off, thrift stores and consignment shops are treasure troves for finding unique and affordable clothing items. You can often discover high-quality pieces at a fraction of the original price. Another great hack is learning basic sewing skills to repair or alter your clothes. You can give old garments a fresh look or fix minor issues instead of buying new. And don't forget the power of accessories. They can completely transform an outfit without spending a fortune. Reducing your energy consumption not only helps the environment but also saves you money. Let's dive into some energy-saving tips for lowering utility bills. First and foremost, switch to LED light bulbs. They use significantly less energy and last longer than traditional incandescent bulbs. Another effective hack is to unplug electronics and appliances when not in use. Even when turned off, they can still draw power. Additionally, make use of natural lighting by opening curtains or blinds during the day. And remember to adjust your thermostat wisely to conserve energy while maintaining a comfortable temperature. Meal prep is not only a time saver but also a fantastic way to make the most of your food and save money. Let's explore some smart meal prep hacks and ideas for transforming leftovers. Start by planning meals that use common ingredients, allowing you to buy in bulk and save money. You can also repurpose leftovers creatively, such as turning roasted chicken into flavorful tacos or using excess vegetables in a delicious stir-fry. Don't let any food go to waste. Get creative and give your leftovers a tasty makeover. Ready to give your home a fresh look without spending a fortune on decor? Get ready for some amazing DIY home decor hacks that will spruce up your space on a budget. First, Explore painting or repurposing old furniture to give it a new life. You can also create your own artwork by painting, crafting, or even printing and framing beautiful images. And let's not forget the power of plants. Adding some greenery to your space can instantly liven it up and create a cozy atmosphere without breaking the bank. And there you have it, folks. A collection of genius frugal life hacks that will help you save money and make the most of what you already have. Remember, being frugal doesn't mean sacrificing quality or enjoyment. It's all about making smart choices. I hope you enjoyed these tips and tricks. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Until next time, stay frugal and stay awesome.